Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows disk space bug that can waste up to 70 GB of storage space. First, open the Settings app. In the left panel, select Windows Update. On the Windows Update page, click Advanced Options, then scroll down and open Optional Updates. If you see the KB5095093 update listed, check the box next to it and click Download and Install. Wait for Windows to finish downloading and installing the update. The process may take several minutes depending on your computer and internet speed. Once the installation is complete, Windows will ask you to restart your PC. Save any open work and restart your computer to finish applying the fix. If you do not see the KB5095093 update patch under Optional Updates, you can install it manually. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. In the search box, type KB5095093 and press Enter. Download the version that matches your Windows system, such as x64 for most modern PCs. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps on your screen. When it finishes, restart your computer. After the restart, the bug should be fixed. Thanks for watching.